So today we discuss about the Singareni coal field. Singareni coal means boku. How we are getting the coal from the underground? How we are getting the coal from the underground means from the mineral. It is how the mining of this coal we can learn in this lesson. These Singareni coal fields are in the Telangana state. It is in the Khammam, Karimnagar, Adilabad and Warangal coal mines. Okay, this is also called Singareni Collieries Company Limited. This is SCCL. SCCL means Singareni Collieries Company Limited. Okay, see in your textbook, these mines are operated by the Singareni Collieries Company Limited. The company was initially set up by the private mining company. Who set up this setup by the Britishers. This company was set up in 1886. British who are ruler to our country, the British rulers, they are started this company. What is that? SCCL company. Okay, and after what happened, which has purchased the Nizam Hyderabad of 1990. What happened in 1920? The Nizam of the Hyderabad, purchased, means concluded Nizam Raju, Nizam King. He purchased from the 1886 Act, so in 1920 from the British rulers. After independence, the government of India took over this company. After independence, what happened? It takes the Indian government. Actually, it is established British rulers in 1886. After Nizam King purchased from the British rule in 1920, and after when the independence came, the Indian government take from the Nizam of the Hyderabad. Today, SSLC joined over the government of the India and the state government of Telangana. Now it is in the Telangana government. Understood, everybody? This is first the 1886 British rulers, and after Nizam of Hyderabad, and after Indian government taken, now state government and central government both are undertaking this SCCL, Singareni Collieries Company Limited. Okay. Here operating 15 open cast and 35 underground mines. Here how many? 15 open cast. Yesterday I told about the open cast, and 35 underground cast. 35 underground mines. Okay, in 4 districts. Open cast means the digging, by digging the minerals. That is called open cast. Underground means going by the tunnel. And taking the mineral from the underground, that is called underground mines. In which in 4 districts it is belongs to. The students and the teachers of the ZP High School, Kongata of BA Kota Mandal, here given one case study, means some children and some teachers both went to the Singareni Collieries to know how the minerals are picking out from the underground, to see that. Okay, now we will see how they are went there. And next one, the ZP School of Kongata Mandal, Chittoor district. They belongs to Chittoor district. Some students went to the Singareni Collieries, Chittoor district, and visited the coal mine from the Singareni coal field. And we reached Hyderabad from Chittoor. Where did they went? They went to the Hyderabad. To see the Singareni Collieries. Why they went to Hyderabad? It is in the Telangana. So they went to the Hyderabad. And after we boarded the bus to Kottagudem. Next they went to the Kottagudem. They permission to go into the mines. Everybody, new person who are not the employee, if anybody want to go into a factory or any new place, everybody should take the permission to go inside. Like that, these people also take some permission to go into the Singareni college. Here again went to the SSLC and took permission to go down the 21 incline. 21 number 21 incline. Incline means gate. There are so many gates to go to inside the SCCL. So they went by the 21 incline. Okay. Where we then crossed the iron bridge over the railway track. What they crossed? They crossed the iron bridge and a railway track and a railway track. Why they have railway track there? All the coal will come by the railway goods train only. Okay, they went to the railway track. We reached the entrance of where the safety officer received us. Who received them? Safety officer. He received to them. The officer explained that coal is found as thick layer under the ground. What he told them? The coal is found as a thick layer. Thick layer. అంటే చాలా ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుందన్నమాట భూమి లోపల చాలా థిక్ లేయర్ లో ఈ కోల్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. The officer told them. If one take from the ground level, first there will be some soil and after there will be rocks and water. And if anybody means this in Singareni quarries they dig for the coal, first they get first layer is soil and next one is rock and third layer is water, and after here only they can get coal. See how much deep inside this coal we are getting. First layer is soil, second layer is rock and third layer water, and the fourth layer they can get the coal. So how many kilometers they want to dig for that? About 200 to 300. From here to here, how many? 200 to 300 kilometers. Okay, 200 to 300 feet, so not the kilometers, feet. They should want, if anybody want the coal, they should dig 200 to 300 feet deep into the earth to get this coal. Okay, and in one area there can be several layers of the coal separated by the rock or loose air. In that so many layers will be there. Here so many layers like that. With the loose soil means not the sticky. Loose soil will be, but layers are 2 or 3. Okay. Next one, danger and safety measure. What he given in your textbook? Let's see everybody. Danger and safety measure. Is there any dangerous in the layer? Is there any danger in the danger and safety measures? What is danger? Danger and safety measure. What are that? The safety officer also explained us that it was always a risk to go down as the accidents may occur. Accidents may occur. If we go too deep into the earth, accident should be there. A tunnel may fall down to get flooded by water, or there can be fire and suffocated due to the poisonous gases. Some underground, just I told about the underground digging also like this. Tunnel is like this tunnel. Okay, they digging the earth and go to the tunnel like this. The roof, this roof and ఈ పైన ఉన్న భాగం ఏదైతే ఉందో అది మన టన్నెల్ అంటే ఏంటి? లోపలికి గుహలా లోపలికి వెళ్తాం అన్నమాట. లోయలో వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఏమైంది? పైన ఉంది, ఆ పైన ఉన్న రూఫ్ వీళ్ళ మీద పడిపోయే అవకాశం ఉంది. Or sometimes so much water. We tell in the third layer is water. ఈ పైన ఏముంది? వాటర్ ఉంది అన్నమాట. ఈ వాటర్ ఒక్కసారి ఇందులోకి వచ్చేసి so much water will come and so many accidents can be done in these places. అంటే పైన వాటర్ ఎక్కువ వచ్చేసింది అనుకోండి, వాళ్ళు ఎక్కడ నుండి బయటకు వెళ్ళడానికి కుదరదు అన్నమాట. అక్కడే వాళ్ళు మృతి చెందవలసి వస్తుంది. also necessary precaution. For every time there is the first aid box will be always be ready there. And some people who are the to protect them. If anybody going into the accident, to protect them, some people will be there. Okay. And he also explained the phase, the help of the safety kit. We put on the safety kit and got ready to go down. We reported must point one line registration. Now we reached the entrance of the mine. Next, what they went to the entrance of the mine. Entrance of mine. Okay. First they went to the 21 incline and next they went to the entrance of the boom local వెళ్ళడానికి entrance లో వెళ్ళారన్నమాట. Those people who are visiting to their doctors. Actually, this lift that carries people in and out of the mine. The two of us and the safety manager along with the 3 miners enter into the lift. There is one lift is there. Okay, in the lift, who is going into the lift? One safety officer and 2 workers who are working in the mine and 2 people who are visiting to that. They all members are going by the lift. Okay, the lift in charge closed the sides and gave signals underground. The lift operated by the ringing a bell using a cord. When the bell is ringed there, the lift started to go to the underground. Okay, see how it is nearly inside the mine. What happened inside the mine? Inside the mine means underground the mine. What happened there? Our lift went to the nearly 500 feet. Once imagine how deep, how much depth they went. How much? 500 feet. They went under the 500 feet below the ground level. It was like going deep down a well. How they feel we are going into the well. But loop loki na local వెళ్ళిపోయినట్టు వాళ్ళకి అనిపించింది అన్నమాట. Why? Because they are going in deep into the 500 feet. We are gripped by the fear as the lift rapidly slid down and kept hearing water falling somewhere. They felt very fear, but only they are stood like this. When they are going deep into the ground 500 feet, they hear some voice. What is that? The water is spilling some place. That type of water. Waterfall is have there some places like that. They hear that sound. Okay, hearing the falling of somewhere. The safety officer who was with the explainer. It is the groundwater. It is the groundwater. First I told you, in 3rd layer we have water. That water is that they are here. You know that when we dig, we find water. We have the pump. This when we are digging the well or any bore pump with the tube well, we get water now. That is the water when they are going into the 500 feet. Means from here to here, 500 feet here. We feel like this. 500 feet. They coming from the earth surface. Here have this here nearly 300 feet. Means here water. Here will be water. We are getting water from the underground water by the tube well or the well. Okay. And next one, operate by the pump water. Otherwise, it will be fled over mine tunnel. He told that. And water is directed to a pool from which it is pumped out of the mine. What the safety officer what he told, the total water will be fell in one pool. One pool means one pond like that. The setup is there. The total water should come and fall in this pool. అంటే ఆ లోపల ఉన్న వాటర్ ఏమవుతుందంటే ఒక పూల్ లో పడేటట్టు వాళ్ళు ఏర్పాటు చేశారన్నమాట. With the motor, they are taking this water to the outside. They are taking this water to the outside. ఎక్కడైతే ఈ పూల్ నుండి వచ్చిన వాటర్ అంతా కూడా by the motor వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తున్నారు, వాటర్ అంతా కూడా పైకి పంపించడం జరుగుతూ ఉందన్నమాట. Sometimes what will happen, if the water is so much this there, the tunnel will be filled with water. The accident may be occur in that place. Okay. He further told us that the company has a project and planning being with the take care of the designing aspect. The lift stopped and we stepped into the narrow tunnel called main shaft. The mine shaft. What is this? Narrow tunnel. Narrow అంటే చాలా ఇరుకుగా ఉండే ఒక స్థలం అన్నమాట. వీళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారు, లిఫ్ట్ లోంచి దిగి ఒక నేరోగా ఉండే ప్రదేశంలోంచి వెళ్తున్నారు. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ మైన్ షాఫ్ట్. ఓకే, the lift stopped and as we walked we noticed electric lines, house pipes carrying water, a narrow rail track on the ground, etc. What they find there? A narrow ground track means like this. అంటే రైల్వే లైన్ ఉందన్నమాట అంత లోపల కూడా. ఓకే, when the coal is mined it is loaded into the small wagon which are pulled on these rails till the lift from the where it is taken to the ground level. What they do when the coal mines are here, coal mines, ఆ కోల్ అంటే ఆ బొగ్గునంతా ఏం చేస్తారు, వ్యాగన్ అంటారు. వ్యాగన్ అంటే ఇలా తోసుకొని వెళ్ళేది అన్నమాట. దానికి కూడా ఒక రైలు అంటే రైలు పట్టాలు కావాలి. ఆ వ్యాగన్లో ఈ తవ్విన మొత్తం బొగ్గు అంతా అందులో వేసి they took that wagon and they transfer into the goods train. Okay, in the underground. Pulled up these rails and it is taken. Our guide point out that we are actually walking through the coal layer. So that they are the coal and both side and above and below us. What they saw there? Totally coal is there. Coal means which color is that? Black color. Everywhere coal. Everywhere there is only black color only. Roof, everything. Okay. We were surprised to see the walls of the mines to be bright and black. Our guide explained that because the dolomite, painted by dolomite. But one place they saw that the walls of that tunnel is very bright and looks very white color. Why? It is the coal mine, no? It should be black, but it looks very white. When they asked the officer, he told that we painted with the dolomite type of chemical like that. They painted that wall. Why? To bring the brightness. See how much dark will be in the tunnel. There is no sunrise is there, no sunlight is there, so it will be very very dark. So what they did, the dolomite, they painted the wall of the coal, so it gives some lighting in the tunnel. Painted the dolomite and oxidant and the degradation of the coal enhance reflection, give us light. Reflection should give us light. Next, blasting the coal. Coal means how it is in the layer. It will be very thick layer, will be like this. Thick and very broad and a very large layer will be. So how can we take it from the outside? So it should be blast with small pieces like this. How can we blast this? See here. Now we were approaching the coal drilling area of the face. Every day the supervisor inspect the coal seam and give instruction for the day mining. Coal seam means layer. Seam means layer. Every day what will happen? The officer will be everything he will check that how much layer it is thin or thick. Every day he will check and he give the instructions to the workers how much they drill that coal layer. Okay, where the mining is be done, and what the safety measure had to be taken. Different group of people assigned different tasks. One group was drilling holes with the permeable air compressor to plant the explosive rods. So there are different type of workers are working in the mines. One group of people, what they do? They drill. Drilling means drilling that earth. And after the packets, these explosives will be set up detonates and electrical device. This is what is this? Detonates. detonate. Detonate means small bomb like that. That is one bomb like it will be blast. Blast అయితే ఏమవుతుంది అక్కడున్న ప్రదేశంలో ఉండే కోల్ లేయర్ అన్ని కూడా చిన్న చిన్న ముక్కలుగా విరిగిపోతాయి అన్నమాట. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ detonate. Okay, it is a electrical device. Strong rock like coal is broken in this manner so that it can be cut transported. When the coal will be cut into the pieces, it should be transported to the outside, means in the on the earth's surface. And the process is called blasting. It is a hazardous process as sometimes the blast can bring down the entire mine phase, causing the death of the miner. It has throughout the dawn great care and calculation. Sometimes what will happen when the blast has done, the whole pieces will be damaged to the miners. Who is doing this? These people can die sometimes, but because the blast will be very much destructive. So the people of this area can be sometimes dead. So it does very calculating and very carefully they do this blasting. Okay, another group of the mines was arranging wood and iron support to the roof so that it may not fall down the head of the miner. What they do? One group of people drilling and another group of people blasting the bombs, and another group of people what they do? When this is a tunnel, coal tunnel, what will happen? The roof can be fell sometimes, and it is a very thin layer. The roof can be fell onto the people. So some wooden pieces and some iron pieces will put like this with the stand. So what happened? The roof cannot be fell onto the people. That also do some group of people. Support the roof that may not fall down on the head of the miners. One group was ready and a flexible movable motor known as a drilling machine. This would be used to cut the coal after the blast. Now the blasting hole is ready. As you see in the figure 56.8. Some group of people what they do? They drill that. When the blast that coal thick layer, it will be break down. But these pieces are very big pieces. So the people, one group of people, they drill that to change into the small pieces. When the entire preparation for blasting was completed, everyone withdrew to safe place. Then a warning whistle was blown and then the detonator was set off. What will happen? One whistle, when the safety officer whistles one sound, the people who are doing here work, they will go to the safety place. Okay, suddenly the whole mine resounded with the boom and explosion. What will happen? Sometimes it will be boom, means give very big sound on the place. The walls and the ground shook and seemed. The earthquake had been spotted. What happened all the time when the bomb has blasted in the tunnel? It looks like the one big earthquake came. When an earthquake is came in that place, we feel like that. So it will be shake that earth and the tunnel also. There was smoke and dust everywhere. What will happen? The place is covered by smoke and dust. And everywhere. After some time, the whistle sound again, we moved once more towards the face. Slowly the dust settled. 2 or 3 miners entered the dust coughing. They walked over the coal, had fallen, explosion using their rod and inspect place from where the coal has fallen. After few minutes, what will happen? The dust and smoke will be settled someplace. 2 or 3 miners will go inside, and how much coal has blasted in that place, they will see that they notice that place. At one spot of the roof was weak, so it was supported with wood beam and post. Some places what will happen? The roof is very weak. Roof ante tunnel lo paina roof eppudaithe weak ga undఅనుకోండి ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఈ వుడెన్ పీసెస్ దానికి సపోర్ట్ ఇస్తారు అన్నమాట. ఎందుకంటే అది నెత్తి మీద పడిపోకుండా ఉండడం కోసమని సపోర్ట్ ఇస్తారు. చేస్తారు. సమ్ పోస్ట్ అంటే ఒక దూరం లాంటి వాటి పెట్టి ఈ వుడెన్ పీస్ దానికి సపోర్ట్ అనేది ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, ట్రాన్స్పోర్టింగ్ కోల్. నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్? ట్రాన్స్పోర్టింగ్ కోల్. The blasted coal will be transported to another place. Transporting coal. How they transport this all coal? By the wagons. These two pieces of the coals, some group of people, they take these coal pieces into the wagon. Wagon means which is pulling by the hand. That is called one wagon. They take all the pieces of the coal into the wagon, and these wagons will take to the goods train. Will be there. The train will fill it with this coal, and it will go to the different factories or different port areas. Understood? Like this transport this coal. And next one is welfare. Conveyor belt carry the coal and supplies the and also this coal is supplied to the thermal power plants. Where to supply this? Thermal power plant. Thermal power plant. What is this thermal power plant? Where the electricity is made, that is called a thermal power plant, which is used coal more and more there. That is called thermal power plant. And Singareni mines supply the coal to the thermal power plant of the government. Remaining coal to the purchase to the other companies. Next one is the welfare. Welfare. What is the meaning of welfare? People who are working in the mines. What is given to the these people by the company? Here given that. Singareni collieries provides quarters. Quarter means giving houses to people who are working in the Singareni collieries. Yes, collieries. With roads, drinking water, utilizer water means giving very safety good water giving to them. It gives electricity at nominal charge. It establishes schools and hospitals. Not only that, they are giving to the people who are working in the Singareni collieries houses, giving good water and hospitals also, hospital facility also giving to people who are working in the Singareni collieries, and school facility means free education also giving. And after the electricity, free electricity, what they are giving to the people, free electricity also giving who are working in the mines. They are giving the special welfare items. What are the house, water, hospital, school and electricity. Over. Next one, safety and health checkups. What is the other one? Safety and health checkup. Safety and health checkup. What is this? What? Director General of Mines, Safety Minorities monitors safety aspect and periodical medical examination. The workers underground are not only exposed to accident but constantly inhale the coal dust. What is this? Director General of Mines. Who did this? Director General. Director General is giving this. Who are working in the mines? What is that in the mines? Coal. Coal means it is in the black color substance. If we smoke that, what will happen? Our lungs will be damaged. Our lungs will be turned as the black color. So the Director General has given this facility to the people who are working in the mines above the 45 years. Above 45 years. They have the one health check up to 5 years. 5 years. Every 5 years who are working in the coal mine above 45 years, they give the free health check. And 45 below 45 and below 45 years. Who have the below 45 every year, 3 years they are giving the health checkup. Okay, that is only given here. 45 years will be have the routine checkup every 5 years, and 45 years will be 3 years. Minors with black lung disease are usually transferred to different department over the ground, and checkup will done to these minors when the lungs are becoming to the black. They change that into the different department. Means their lungs are going damaged. There are people who are working in that place. They are changed their department into the administration block, not in the mines. Okay. Next one is new trends in mining industry miners. New trends. What they are following the new trend. New trends in mining industries. What is the trends in the new mining industries? Recently there has been a great increase of demand for coal, especially for the power plant. What happened? There is more demand for the coal. Why? Because there is a thermal power point. Thermal power plant is started. They need so much coal. So the demand has increased for this coal. However, our mines are able to cater this demand due to the productivity. SCCL is a regional plan of the increasing production by shifting to open cast mining. What is this SCCL doing to increase their product? By how the open cast mining. Open cast means by drilling. By drilling, they are getting the coal. With the 15 open cast mines are open and introduced fully automatic machines through the private contractors. These will be producing much more coal but employ very few people. It is also said the coal rivers, these open cast mining area will be